Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Journey to Become Wealthy. My name is Kelvin Reed, and today is Monday. Another fabulous start to a week where we see some green, just a little bit of green, but we see some green nonetheless. So, before I get into it, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make videos. Also, while we're talking about that, you all make sure you all are looking in the description for the links to my Webull, my RobinHood, and pretty much anything else that you need to use to get started when investing. So make sure you use those links because you get free stocks, I get free stocks, and I mean, hey, who doesn't like free money? So make sure you all use those links when you get ready to sign up for set your accounts up. So all right, we know today is Monday. We saw the market big green but flat on the day. It actually started out down this morning, and things kind of popped up and took off from there. So it may look like it was a very big gap to the upside, but the market was very much flat. I mean, nothing that I saw was just really crazy over 1%, especially not in the futures. We'll see here in a moment that all the futures are hanging out around that 0.6, 0.7, and 0.8% in the green though. But we love to see green. So what people are saying is we broke our 2-week losing streak. What's going to be the test of time is on Wednesday. Y'all know, starting tomorrow, the Fed start their meetings, right? Tuesday, Fed start their meetings. Wednesday, we're going to get the interest rate hikes, right? So we're going to see, hey, what are they going to give us? It's going to be 75 basis points, 100 basis points, which is really going to be extreme. The market probably go crazy if we get 100 basis points. Or 50 to 25. The market may also go crazy green to the upside. 75 basis points, we don't really know what could happen. It could be things could go green, go red. 100 basis points, oh man, you can expect the market to crash like never seen before. But until we get there, we're going to keep trading, right? We're going to keep trading. We're going to see how things go first part of the morning, and hopefully we're going to continue to make money. So let's check it out. The Dow is up 0.64%. S&P 500 up 0.69%, and the Nasdaq is up 0.76%, with the Russell up 0.81%. So I'm looking at this because, again, I told you all, this is a good green day for us, right? Good green day. And if we come back here to our chart on the SPY, you all see it now. Again, we've been charting this bad boy. You all should be hanging in there. Y'all should see this. You already got your screenshot from back here in June when I first started showing this to you all. So look at this. What did I tell you? We got a nice little support here, and look at exactly what it did. It was a few dollars, about $1 over. So I'm marked at 380.51. That joker hit 382 on the low side, 43, and it popped back up for today. Now tomorrow, if it comes back through here, if it comes back down and it comes through that 380.51, we can. Man, you can see any of these price targets being hit. So make sure you all see those. Any of these price targets, these red ones down here could be hit. So I'm going to change this one to green just so we know that, hey, now that's to the upside. And we can ignore the rest of them that's up here red. But anything come back below this one at 380.51, the market could continue to crash down high and heavy. However, I do believe if we break above that 390.77, which it looks like right here, 390.67, to the upside, the market could boom back up to the upside, and we would probably see some resistance here at our what was demand, our now support. So, I mean, you got to make sure we pay attention to those, right? Make sure we see that. So that price is 397.09. So keep your eyes on that. Make sure you take a screenshot because these are our price levels where we trading at, whether it's to the upside or the downside. If you know if price is green, if market is going up, we are doing call options. If the market is coming down, we are doing put options. We are buying and selling call or put options depending on how the market moves, right? One thing I got to keep telling y'all about, man, Tesla, it continues to be a banger. Tesla continues to show out. Over the past 5 days, up 5.55%. Past month, up 6.61%. But from that low, that bad boy is up 14%. From the low, right, of September 2nd, this bad boy is up 14.38%. So I've been loving this Tesla play. And y'all already know, before Tesla did its split, before Tesla dropped, I've been using Tesla to make money pretty much since the beginning, right? I do use SPY. I do use some of these other ones like QQQ. I look at all of those and make money out those as well. But Tesla is the one that I usually make the most off of, so that's why you all see me share that one. However, looking at the charts, just paying attention to these different demand zones, similar to what I have here. Looking at lows, looking for lows, looking for peaks before we come back down. Looking for levels like that is how we chart out our plays. So I've actually showed you all a lot of this, right? Now look at this. This is SPY. Again, we're hitting some new levels. If I wanted to, I could do even more detail here, right? So we know SPY is currently at 388.55. And look at this. Almost perfect. Hit this level right here. If I did a put option right here, because I know this is a point of resistance, and came back down, when it popped up, I could have took a call option. When it broke above here right here, call option to the upside, could have made $2 to the upside, usually about $40 per dollar, $100 easy. Same thing on the downside. So those are the type of things you got to keep in mind. If I wanted to be more detailed, right here would probably be a perfect level to put it at, because look at this. We see this point right here being touched multiple times. So when I'm charting, I am looking for levels that were touched multiple times on my chart. So that is how I know. So right here we see this was touched about 3 times over the past couple weeks. And I am using this wick as well. Look at it, keep going back, and we just see that it's being touched several times. So we want to keep our eyes on that as another level for our SPY. And that's just based on the 5 minute. If I look at the 30 minute, I get even more levels. And look at that. I just put that line there, and look, it's lined up perfectly. So we keep doing that, and we'll see more and more levels if you all want to do that. As of right now, you already know what you are looking for as far as the upside and downside before things either come down drastically or they go up drastically. So we got to keep our eyes open for that. Right now, the major topic of discussion is going to be Wednesday. Everybody's waiting on the Fed meeting. The FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. You see the stock heat map, everything is pretty much flat and booming with the exception of healthcare, which looked like it may have took a beating today. So as you see that, you see everything is pretty much hanging out there basically. So everything is pretty much flat or green, just a little green, but flat still. Apple, of course, being the big dog it is bright green, but everything else pretty much flat for the day. So y'all make sure you keep your eyes out for that. Tomorrow, I don't know how things gonna go. If you watched today, you saw things pretty much trade sideways. After they hit their peak, they traded sideways the remainder of the day, and there was no more money to be made. So I wouldn't be surprised if tomorrow traded either sideways or if it could continue consolidating and came down a little bit. So that's what we're gonna look out for. If we see it continue consolidating and come down a little bit, I probably wouldn't play it tomorrow. I will wait until Wednesday. We're gonna look for a drastic increase or decrease in the stocks. So that's really what I got for y'all. Just making sure you stay updated, keep those in mind. We got CPI data, interest rates, we got employment data, and I want to say that's about it this week. So you guys make sure you keep that in mind and be careful of your trading this week. I thank you all for joining Journey Come Wealthy. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and I'll see y'all later.